Hello everyone, I'm Ezekiel B. Pasqua, PSP 109. I explain symmetry, fractals, and lastly is spirals. For the first, symmetry is butterflies. Means have balance and identical parts on opposite sides of line or point. Butterflies show bilateral symmetry if to fold them in half through the middle of their body. The left and right wings match in shape, size, and after in color pattern. The symmetry helps butterfly with flight balance and also serve a camouflage or warning patterns against predators. For the second, fractals inlining. Eye smaller parts look similar to the whole. Lightning follows this principle. The main bolt branches out into smaller streaks, and those streaks branch into even smaller ones, resembling tree branches or veins. Fractals makes lining more efficient in finding the quickest path through the atmosphere. For the last one, is spirals in sunflower seed. A spiral, a curve that winds around a central point while moving outward. In sunflowers, seed grow in spiral following the Fibonacci sequence, which ensure they are packed tightly without leaving gaps. This natural spiral pattern allows the flower to maximize the number of seeds in unlimited space, showing nature efficiency. This is the end. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.